Welcome to our channel, where we unlock easy solutions for your banking problems, starting with Prodigy Bank transaction issues. Welcome to our channel, where we unlock easy solutions for your banking problems, starting with Prodigy Bank transaction issues. If you've ever experienced difficulties with your transactions at Prodigy Bank, don't worry. This guide will walk you through every step to resolve common problems quickly and efficiently. First, always ensure you have a stable internet connection. Many transactions fail simply because of connectivity problems. Next, double-check the recipient details, including account numbers and routing information. Even small mistakes can cause failure. Then, review your account balance to confirm sufficient funds are available for the intended transfer amount. If all those basics check out, try logging out of your online banking platform and then logging back in to refresh your session, which often clears temporary glitches. Another helpful move is to clear your browser cache and cookies if you're banking online, as stored data can sometimes interfere with transaction processes. For mobile app users, ensure your Prodigy Bank app is updated to the latest version for optimal performance and security fixes. If transactions still fail, contact Prodigy Bank customer support using the official helpline or chat service, where a representative can provide specific insights or escalate the issue to technical teams. Additionally, keep your phone or email notifications enabled to receive real-time alerts about your transaction status, which can inform you if further action is needed. Remember, patience combined with these systematic checks often leads you directly to what needs fixing without undue stress. Finally, always maintain updated contact information with the bank, so they can communicate with you instantly about any urgent transaction matters or fraud alerts. Following these precise steps introduces a reliable routine for handling Prodigy Bank transaction issues without the confusion. This method aims to empower you, keep your banking experience smooth and secure while saving you time and potential frustration.